I look out of my window and I see the morning dew. The sky is so vast and lonely, and like me it is so blue, blue in my heart, blue in my soul. My mind, it is so cloudy and hardly is on cue, repeating and repeating only thoughts of you, you in my heart, you in my soul. Days go by, weeks go by, life goes by. It hurts so much inside me, but this pain, it is so dear. This is the only way I know for me to have you here, here in my heart, here in my soul, here in my heart, here in my soul.
Encouragement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Encouragement is what I need. Understanding is what I want from you. Why don't you show me that you care? To talk to you, get my meaning through, for you to say, I wanna be with you. We could stay forever in love. Images, that's what we are. We're all alone in a world of sin. But do we really exist? We all alone. Don't you care? Don't you know? Reality. We could run away, we could go where no other stayed. But does love really exist? Encouragement is what I need. Understanding is what I want from you. Why don't you show me that you care? that you care. Show me that you care.
Sing to me, love, please. Sing to me, love. Sing to me, lovely, for the rest of your life. For the rest of your life. Sing me a song. Sing it so softly. Sing me a song. Sing it so softly as the night passes by. As the night passes by, I love you so, I want you close to me. And wherever I go, I know you're here with me. I'm in your tune, I'm in your love song. I'm in your tune, I'm in your love song when you're far away. When you're far away.